Yan po, doon sa kabila, ang dami-dami silang. Ang dami po doon sa kabila. Super. Ito po, ang the other side, ito po yung mga bulaklak. Basta naman? Bloom. Ito po. Dami po siyang bulaklak dito. Yun. Yun po. So beautiful. Ito po dito ang blooming o ang flowers na tumutubo every year po mayroon mga tumutubong bulaklak. Yan po. Kita niyo po, may blue, may maliliit na blue. This blue, bas na mahir.
Hornblumen.
Deep blue?
Blauen, ja.
Oh, yeah. So many flowers. Yan, ito po yung dito sa Germany. Yan, ayan po mga blue flowers and red flowers.
Rettich.
Ito po, may discovery po ako dito. I discovered plants. Yun po, super lalaki. Super po lalaki ng dahon ko. Yan, super po. Ito po, iba naman po yung plants. It's another plants. But I don't know the name of these plants. But it's very, when I see this plant, I said, oh my God. So, gross, oh, big. Gross po is big. This po. So many plants. Yes. I don't know po, what is the name of this. My kasama is, he don't know what is this. Ito po, scattered po siya. Para siyang, hindi naman po siya, this not the vegetables. I don't know if they ate this or this kind of plant or no. But I just wonder what this plant is this. So gross. Big flower plants here. And then ito po yung plants na yung tinatanim nila dito. Yan. Yung pong nakalimutan ko what is the name of this. So this is the plants here. While wandering here, so plants I discover. This mas dinama this plants eh?
Lupine.
Ha? Lupin? Bas makin this. Oil. Oh, lupin, makin oil. One?
Futter für Tiere.
So, bitte erklären this plants eh? Doon na ikukin.
Das ist Lupine. Das ist Futter für die Tiere und gleichzeitig.
And then? And they make bread or broth oder?
Nee, Brot nicht.
Was Brot? Nee, Brot, ja.
Nee.
Und dann was isen auch Leute? Leute isen oder? Was nur Tier?
Nur Tiere und Öl wird hergestellt.
Tier and oil. They make, what is the name of the oil of this?
Rapsöl.
Raps oil. Ito po yung raps oil. Ito po yung tanim na raps oil. Yung pong mga tinanim na raps oil po. Okay po. Sana na-share ko sa inyo kung anong plants ditong mayroon. At saka mga bulaklak dito sa Germany na mayroon. Super po. Dami. Okay po. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video. Thank you po. Okay po. To God be the glory.